I'm sorry, we are not all happy and excited today.
Louder, Malachi.
Someone very close. Didn't we, pal?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's been a rough day. Rough day for my emotions and my family. This happened very suddenly, and well, we're just very sad. As you can tell, we shedded a lot of tears, and we are going to shed more. It's hard to know. It's hard to know when someone you love, someone who has been close to you for a long time, can't call them on the telephone, on the phone, can't visit them, can't say, I love you one more time. But the good news is we won't cry for long. Right, pal? Because we know that the special someone is going where we are going. She loves Jesus, and we know she's in heaven right now.
But she's probably happier than we are to be there.
You can say that again.
I would, well, I did funny.
That's okay, please. Go ahead and cry. The Bible says, even Jesus, when his friend Lazarus died, but Jesus turned the sadness into joy when he raised Lazarus from the dead. I have a feeling we have experienced more joy when we saw her again in heaven.
You bet we will.
No one likes to be sad, and no one wants to be sad. No one wants to stay sad. So, when sadness comes, remember that God loves you. When you start to think about all God's blessings and the hope we have in Jesus, that can give us peace, even when sadness comes.
Yes, it sure can.